Smell my gas! Smell my
They're
gas!
crazy, choppy, hippie, wacky, and they're
Funny, make you go.
That's why they call me Bullshit Man.
Kruger's Media Design. Don't forget to subscribe.
The bank, the media, everything. Wow.
I can't sleep with them having sex next door.
I know, me too. Every night that this it seems like.
It's 'cause they're newlyweds. You remember when we were newlyweds, honey? All the sex we had?
Yep, that sounds like newlyweds, alright. Wow, they're really going at it. They must have clowns. A monkey?
Kinky.
Sounds like a damn circus in there.
Oh, I miss the circus. My grandma used to take me. Oh, I remember elephants, a tie wire act, and tightrope. Oh, it was so much fun. And the hamsters on the hamster wheel.
Wait, hamsters? The circus?
She hated it. She always brought a book.
Your grandma doesn't read.
She used to read all the time, and then she had a bad book accident.
A steamboat? How much room they got in that place? Oh, it's a fart warrior. Well, how do you like this one?
Oh, honey, come on. I think they're finished.
Finally, we can get some sleep.